What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a whole new video. I know it's been a little bit of a minute since I dropped a human made video, especially like showing y'all what I got. Cause spring summer 2021 just finished and they haven't been dropping much, but Nigo been real sneaky lately. When I say sneaky, Nigo been real sneaky with these drops, not telling us, not having no kind of information. So when he drops something, we just find out then and there. And I just find out from Instagram when they post something, I have my notifications on so I would know when something dropped or released. But yeah, I picked up a couple of t-shirts and I got some items down here below, some goods that they dropped not too long ago. And we're gonna get right into this video. Pretty good video, it's gonna be a quick one probably. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. But overall, please hit that like button, get this YouTube algorithm working so I can get more views, get more subscribers, and so on and so on. So please hit that like button if y'all can. I wanna make this YouTube algorithm go to work and do some work and get more people in and see my content and, just see what I got to show and talk about. Also, I got some stuff coming up probably next week that I may have for y'all if one of my other packages come in. So stay tuned for that. Let's get right to the video and leggy. Okay, we're gonna start with accessories first. Let's just start with accessories, get them out the way. Just something small, not too big. So the first accessory we're gonna start with is this little thermos right here from Human Made. They did a recent collab with, what's the name of this company? The company is called Blue Bottle Coffee. So they did a collab with them. It's got the Human Made heart, and I guess that's their logo as well. It just comes like this, like white thermos. I'll just put my water or my juice or whatever in here and just sip it as I'm working and stuff like that. Also, I'm gonna use this a lot more, especially my videos, like in between takes. Reason being, I get cotton mouth. Like right now, I'm getting kind of cotton mouth. Let me bust this on. Also, you got these two buttons right here on the side. You just, in the one in the middle, and it pops up. Yep, that's gonna water. So what you're gonna do, pull this latch right here, just pull it up, and it's secured. And it's not going nowhere. So yeah, I had to cop this. Again, it came from Blue Bottle Coffee. So I'm glad I picked that up because I needed something to sip out of every now and then, especially in these videos because I be getting cotton mouth like a mother. That's the first item. That's the first accessory that I had picked up. And the most recent, like I'm telling y'all, if y'all been paying attention to Human Made Instagram, like they've been dropping random shit at random times. I'll talk about it when I get to it. But I seen it just pop up. I forgot where I was at. I think I was on vacation when I seen these. I believe I was on vacation, but they have released a lot of these little, come in focus. It says toilet. So like these little nameplate badges you can put up. I was trying to get toilet, no smoking, Wi-Fi. It was another placard that they came out with. But as soon as I checked out, all the other ones sold out, but toilet was the only one that was still in stock. So I just copped the toilet one and I'll put this on like our bathroom door. Since I smoke, I was gonna get the no smoking even though I smoke and just put it somewhere in the house just to be funny. Yeah, and just put the Wi-Fi stuff around like somewhere in here. But I didn't get those, but I got the toilet one. I'm glad that I got it. Also, in the package, it came with what is this? Some shampoo, like some sample shampoos. It got 2 of them. Like came with this package with the nameplate. Cause I seen now like Nigo got a new section called lifestyle. So he's gonna be releasing more things. Cause he released like some hand towels, like full body towels, soap, shampoo, a whole bunch of other stuff he was releasing. So he's gonna do like more lifestyle things that you're gonna actually use. So I like that Nigo did that. And also Nigo did open up a generic store. Like certain items will not be able to get online, but you only can get it in the store. And I'm not in Tokyo, which sucks. But my boy Bape from Dave, he sent me a video. I'm gonna try to post it in this video. So I'm gonna leave a break here just in case I can get it. Check it out. All right, so yeah, this is a store. That's what the store looked like. But he told me how much them rugs cost, and I understood why. those rugs cost like $3,000. And it was like just straight silk rugs, just straight up silk rugs. And it had all those damn like wood, like paper mache display ducks, like different colorways. I'm like, damn, why I can't be in Tokyo right now? But if I was in Tokyo, I probably wouldn't be able to buy all that stuff. But just knowing that they got some stuff coming got me kind of excited. Next item that I picked up would be the door stopper ice cream cone. I'm glad that I got this and it sold out. And this came in yesterday. And this looks real authentic. It really do like an ice cream cone. Trust me, like it really looks like one if you just sitting it down somewhere. So it's basically like a melted ice cream cone. And it says human made right around like the little lip of the cone. Yep. So I had to cop this and it says gift for futuristic teenager, like the initials, like right there. GFT. So yeah, I'm glad I caught a lot of this stuff, and this sold out. Now I'm not reselling this, I'm keeping it, because I like items like this. I like novelty items. I just like little things like this, just make me like, that's funny. So I like things like this. I guess it's just the inner child of me, I don't know. But that's it for the accessories that I got. I feel like I'm just missing something for some reason. It just feels like I'm missing something, but I know I'm not. But anyway, as you can see, the tee right here, I copped this one. I copped this tee when my homie told me like, yo bro, they just released a store on cowboy tee. I'm like, what? And I look, and I got this on April 29th, 2021. So this was the first dated tee that I was able to cop. And I got another one I'm gonna show you in a second one. So I got this one like in like this little, in a red colorway. It's like a light red, but it's not like a straight up harsh red. But had to cop this one. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, I don't know if I'm gonna resell it, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But I'm just keeping it on the back burner for now. And I don't know, are these? It feel like these tees not printed like, well, it just feel like the quality of these tees are not, I don't know. But this is a tee that I got, so I'm gonna show you the next one. As you can see behind me. All right, so the next tee would be this one as well. Again, I got another Storm Cowboy tee. This came like a dark navy blue colorway. And I'm glad that they caught this one, because if they drop a black one, I will be copping a black one as well. And the date on this one is May 21st. So I got this really recently. Also, if you've seen my live stream that I did last Wednesday, would it be last? Well, 2 Wednesdays ago. I was wearing this in my live stream. I don't know if anybody caught it, but yes, I was wearing this tee. Again, I want to get some more of these, mainly like some dark colors, because right now I'm not going toward, I want to get more tees like this moving forward. So if it catches my eye and it's a colorway that I like, I will be copping it. So that's the second tee for that. Come on. So now this tee right here, I don't know if you can see through it, no. So we got the human made on the pocket stitched in, but it's a little bit more to that. It's just a little bit more to this. So as I turn it around, this will be a tee that I keep. This tee right here, oh yes. I'm so glad that I copped this and they dropped this. I went fucking nuts. I was excited that they dropped the Bulldog tee, and this letting me know and everybody else know. And that kind of a hint that Nigo gave us not too long ago. Like if you paid attention to his story, you seen like a jean jacket, like a cream jean jacket behind him, and you can like barely make out this outline. I'm gonna see if I can post a picture up so you all can see it, but you can like barely make it out. Like, is that a dog? So when I seen that jacket, I'm like, oh shit. So Nigo really coming back with the Bulldog. So I'm glad that he's doing this, and I'm glad that I got it. It came in a lot of colorways. It came in white, black, I think white, black, gray, and navy blue, I believe. So, but I got the white one because all the other ones sold out, and I got it in the XL because 2XL sold out. So I'm like, if I can't get in 2XL, I'm getting in the XL and I'm rocking it, because I'm so happy I'm so excited to see what they got coming up for the autumn winter season. I feel like they got, you know what, I'm gonna hold that for another video, what I expect for next season for Human Made. So I may make that right after this one, probably next week, I don't know. But yeah, had to cop the Bulldog tee, will be rocking this a lot. So that's it for that one. And I see my boy I see my boy Caveman, what Caveman made. He got his tee. He got the white version of it. And I told him like, yeah, bro, I just got mine in today too. So both of us real happy about that. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my phone real quick. My bad, hold up. Trying to see something. Yeah, so my homeboy Caveman made, he got the same tee as well, but he got the black version. Lucky him. But I'm still happy that I got mine, and I'm just so ready for this next season. But anyway, let's get to the last tee. And this tee, I'm glad that I got it. I did a trade for this one, so I didn't have to spend any money. And my homie was happy like that, like with the trade, so let's get it. All right, so the last tee, as you can see on the breast right here, if you know what that is and you've been paying attention to what's been going on lately with the collab that just happened probably about a month ago, if I'm not mistaken, a couple of weeks ago. So I traded my homeboy, Steve. Me and him always talking, chopping it up, sending funny ass videos on IG to one another like I do everybody else. But yeah, he had hit me up, like, bro, I got this tee in, you want it? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, how much? You gonna trade? I'm like, yeah, I'll trade. So I showed him all the tees that I wanted to trade for this one tee. I gave him 2 tees for this one. So this is what it looks like on the back. I'm so fucking excited that I got this, because this was the tee that I wanted and I got it off of a trade. So basically I got a deal and he got a deal. And at first he was like, hey, I just do, what tee you got? So I showed him the tee, he's like, I want that one. So I'm like, so pick another tee. He's like, for real? I'm like, yeah, it's only right. I don't feel right just taking a really dope tee like this, because I see how much it's going for in retail. I mean resale. So I'm like, get it, like pick another tee and I'll send you 2 for 1. So I hooked him up, gave him an extra tee for this one tee, and this is gonna be in rotation a lot, man. Like, I can't wait to wear this out and have some shoes to go with them. I already got the shoes to go with them, but still, I'm so happy I got it. But anyway, that is all that I picked up from this last couple of, like from the last month. I just buying stuff here and there. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully my other package come in early next week, because the next video gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna say this, if you remember that Jordan 1 UNC blue video that I did, expect that. Maybe not outside me reviewing it, but the lookbook part on foot, expect that. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully my package come. All right, so I'll catch y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay up, stay blessed. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.